Look at her. She's going nuts over this loaf of bread. Happens to be Mommy's favorite bread. It's La Madeleine's multi-grain. I think it's about, I don't know how many grains actually. Probably 7 or something. But look at her. I offered her some actually, but she didn't, you know, she turned her head aside, but now I just put this here and look at her. Look at her. She never acts like this either. Hey, don't eat the plastique. No. Shanti, what are you doing? What are you doing? Kitty, what are you doing? Huh? Are you playing innocent or are you just taking a break? Ha 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 ha. Taking a break. Yep.